Hey guys, we're going to be doing some constructions today. For this, we will need a compass and a straight edge. I have this set I got off Amazon. It's great. I'll have a link to it down below, but any set that you find is probably great. Okay, we want to construct a congruent triangle using side, side, side. So this is we call it a postulate or a rule that tells us if two triangles have all three sides the same, that they are congruent triangles. So we are going to use this to create a congruent triangle with our compass and straight edge. So the first thing I'm going to do is just draw a nice line down here, line segment, I guess. And you want to make it a little longer than you think you'll need because we don't want it to be too short. So since we're doing this, we're just going to call right here, we're going to call this A prime. That just means we know it's not the exact same triangle, but it's a copy of it basically. So we call it A prime. All right, the next thing we're going to do is I want to know how long this side needs to be to make it congruent to this one. So I'm going to use my compass and measure this side. A lot of times we like to make a little mark here on this triangle. And then keeping it that length, I'm going to bring it right over here and put that mark on this side over here. All right, so now I am going to put a dot here. This is going to be our C prime. Okay, so I've got one side. I need to get these other two. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this one from A to B is about, sorry, I'm trying to be more accurate with my compass lately. Okay, there we go. About right there. Let's go ahead and bring it over here and make a mark. We're going to make the arc a little bit big because we want to see where it crosses when I measure the CB side. Okay, so we are lining this up like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and come here to the C and make this mark. All right, so where those two cross is going to be my B prime. Look at that. And now all I have to do is connect these to get my congruent triangle. All right, there we go. Now keep in mind, if it's not absolutely perfect, that's because we're humans, not robots, so that's okay. But hopefully you got it pretty accurate. All right, if you need some more of these construction videos, I've got a playlist linked for you in the corner. Thanks.